Do you ever feel like finding files or organizing stuff in the cloud takes way too much time? Well, with Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can manage to do the file searching in OneDrive super easily. When you go to My Files sections in OneDrive, you can see all your cloud files right here. I can simply click any file, click on Copilot, and select Summarize to get quick summaries. Copilot can create short summaries for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF files. You don't even need to open the file to get the key points, saving you tons of time. Besides, I can also compare files. Just open Copilot, click Compare, and it can compare up to 5 files, showing you difference in content, authors, or dates. This is super helpful for contract review or version management. And finally, I can ask Copilot questions about my files. Maybe I want to check if a file mentions certain info or even get some insight from it. Copilot got me covered. This feature helps us find what we need faster and boost our efficiency. Stay tuned for the next video, where we will share what Copilot can do in SharePoint. See you next time.